coming back at you boys with another trade recap. And I keep forgetting to show you guys my executions. I'm sorry about that, but um, I'm going to show you guys my executions real quick. So I took one short today on the S&P 500. Here's my executions. So basically, reason why is I took half my position off at this internal low and then left a runner on and took my other position off at this London low, and I was just trailing my stop loss. But I'll try and remember to show my executions every single time. I just keep fucking forgetting. So let's just go over. Let me replay back up here. Let me just replay what my thought process was. So looking at the 1 hour, at this point in time, what I wanted to see was NQ sweep these internal lows first down here. So I was bullish bias coming in today, and I wanted to take a possible long entry. I wanted to see us sweep these internal lows and then go up and take this weekly relative equal high. But we never did take these lows. And I knew as soon as we were going to take this high that we were just going to chop one, or we were going to have a really good move to the downside. But I was really expecting chop because this price action lately has been dog shit. But so NQ took that high. ES never took that high. We were nowhere close to taking that high. So this right there shows me, okay, we're bearish, but we could also chop. So I'm just being patient, and I just want to see what market wants to do. So if I scroll out on the 1 minute, I'm literally just looking at price. And I do want to see these internal lows get taken. I wanted to see these internal lows get taken. I knew this was the draw if I were to take a short. But I was just being patient. Oh, shit. Okay. But I was just being patient. So I wanted to see what price was going to do. Why the fuck? Oh, select bar. I'm an idiot. Okay. So I wanted to see. And I wanted to see if we disrespect this fair value gap. This was the first kind of point in time where I was like, okay, are we bearish? Let's see if we respect this fair value gap. We had this bearish SMT, this high time frame bearish SMT. I wanted to see, are we going to respect it? What are we going to do? So we end up fucking plowing through this fair value gap to the downside. And then we also end up plowing through this change in the state to the downside. And as soon as we displaced this change in state, I enter short. Now my fill, I think, was around like the 4.3 range, 4.325, I think. Set my SL at that recent SMT high. And low key, my RR to these internal lows was shit. Like it was less than a 1.1. But as soon as this, I knew if we were going to take this internal high, I set my SL to break even, and I let my runners go to London low. And even extra confluence today, which I didn't even think we were going to go to London low, just because of how bullish we were. We had a possible S&D profile, and we completed that S&D profile, obviously. So I enter short, and pretty quickly we take out this internal low. And keep in mind, standard deviation projection, London low. That's where it's at. So as soon as we take that low, as soon as we take the internal low, I'm leaving one of my contracts. I'm leaving a runner to London low, and I'm moving my SL to break even. And that's exactly what I did. And I was trailing my stop basically the whole way down. And I was in this trade for a fuck long time. I was in this trade for like an hour. It kind of fucking blew, but we eventually ended up taking London low. Was that right there? We ended up taking London low. And I made around $2,900 from this trade across all accounts, across my Apex and my Top Step accounts. But yeah, that was my trade today. One short on ES, on and off. And today was definitely a big improvement day. I wanted, from yesterday, I wanted to just have more patience in the market open. I did do that. And I just wanted to be patient to see what market was going to do. And that's what you got to do. You just have to be patient. You have to figure out what you did wrong from the past days and improve on it. And keep improving on it every single day. Be patient. Find your setup. If it's not there, you get off the charts. If it is there, you take it. And that's what you're going to do. And that's what I did. So up around $2,900 today. took one trade on ES and then got off the charts an hour and a half, and I'm done with my day. So that was my trade today, and kind of just running you through. So we'll be back tomorrow. We have 2 more trading days this week. We have unemployment claims tomorrow and then core PCE on Friday. So we'll see how the market is moving with those red folders, but we'll see.